Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see that our trading plan was worked nice. Once market has completed the major target, that was on the starting of the military operation in Ukraine. So you can see the spike up. All targets have been completed right on top around 1950 area. And market just returned back up. So we said once target will be completed, expect a downward retracement back to the 1925 area. So what we could say currently on the overall situation. Market currently from the technical point of view is definitely overextended to the upside. So we can see the overbought here, and if we'll take a look at the weekly chart, you also will see the overbought at the weekly chart as well. So the pullback here seems absolutely normal and logical. But at the same time, what I would like to say is that take a look that market shows no significant drop below the broken top, below 1916. So it has pulled back and calling around this area. This is potentially bullish sign, and this is really understandable. It's just because that was mostly kind of the, initial, somewhere partially emotional reaction on the soft West response on the military operation. So, of course, it's difficult, but at the same time, it's difficult to suggest that geopolitical game will be over right at this point. So something, I think that it's really some further steps could follow, could happen, and the performance of the market suggests approximately the same. So we see the pullback, we see some mild downside reaction, but we do not see the massive sell-off. This is temporal pullback. And from geopolitical point of view, my suggestion is that if everything stands and remains at this point and will be over at this point, when Russia gets the Ukraine, in fact, this will be a big defeat, geopolitical defeat on the domestic political arena, as a foreign political arena for the Joe Biden administration. So they have invested a lot of money in this project in the Ukraine, and they suddenly have lost it. As a response, they just have put some pure sanctions that actually makes no impact because Russia is living under the sanctions since 2014. So, and this is definitely not the response that other countries watching on the United States reaction are expected. So, and I really aware of possible continuation of this situation. So, in the shorter term, it means that in the longer term, I do not think that the upward action on the gold markets already is over, but it could stand for a while in a wide range, in a new wide range, somewhere around this top. In the short term, yes, some pullback could happen a bit more, because on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. We have huge bearish engulfing pattern. Here we see minor pullback inside of the body, and it seems that some downward continuation really could happen. So I'm not be surprised if we'll get some kind of the ABCD, maybe not to the OP target, but at the COP target, the market just could move somewhere to the 1865, 1880. This is theoretical possible. So this is a scalp scenario, very short-term scenario. If you would like to ride on it, you could try, but be aware of unexpected steps that might be taken in the political sphere. So it could really change the balance on the gold market as well. On the hourly chart, it might be seems something like this. So if we suggest that C point stands in place, then at least the COP could lead market somewhere to the 1865. It's really could happen just because today is Friday. It's hardly some big steps will be taken right now. And take a look here from technical point of view, we have the solid drop. In fact, this is some kind of the momentum trade here. Market has formed also bearish reversal bar or swing. So because this drop is greater than the previous swing up, which is potentially short-term bearish. But in the longer term, I think that game is not over yet, guys, and we really could get lots of more stunning moments in the geopolicy. So this is not really a good thing for any traders because it brings a lot of uncertainty in the trading process. But in the short term, these are the things that we have currently.